Hi, this is Amy from BlastKing. Today I'm going to introduce you our old-type spinner hanger short blasting machine. This short blasting machine with 3 units blasting turbines, each unit for 1 batch. This short blasting unit comes short blast cleaning 3 batches parts at the same time.